In this video, I'll walk you through how to deactivate a Facebook account. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials like this one. So the first thing we need to do to deactivate our Facebook account is simply open up the Facebook app or the website. Then tap on the menu button at the bottom right of the app. Once the menu opens, select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Click on Meta Account Center. Then select Manage Accounts. You will see Account Ownership and Control. Select that. Now that we are in, all we need to do is select the last option, Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. You'll be presented with two options here. You can either deactivate your Facebook account, which is temporary, or you can permanently delete your Facebook account by changing it to Delete Account. Make sure the Deactivate account is selected. Then go down at the bottom and select Continue. Enter your password, select Continue. Select any of these reasons, then select Continue. If you don't want your account to reactivate automatically, select this. Select Don't Reactivate Automatically. Hit Done. Select Continue. Finally, select Deactivate My Account. And that's pretty much how you deactivate a Facebook account. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials like this one.